Hi everyone, welcome to CIC Talks. I hope you all are doing good and today I brought you another cue card video and which is about describe a good service that you received. But before we move further, I request you to please watch this video till the end, and if you like our content, please hit the like and subscribe button. So now without wasting any time, let's get started.
So, in this cue card, you will be speaking about your recent good service experience. And the questions are what the service was. Here we'll talk about a good service experience at McDonald's, and then when you received it, who you were with, how you felt about it. So, let's start with the introduction. When I think of service experience, there are a number of companies that are coming to my mind because for all these years I have consumed a lot of services. And the first question is what the service was. But today I would take this opportunity to talk about my recent dining experience where I was amazed with the professional work ethics at the place. And the service that I availed was their recently introduced table service where customers can place orders using the self-service kiosks, mobile phones, and customize their own burger before finalizing the order and skip the front counters. The food is served directly at the table. And the second is when you received it. Actually, last week it was my manager's birthday, so we planned to host the evening at the McDonald's Chandigarh. This made us all super excited. Who you were with? I was accompanied by some friends and work colleagues. From the moment we walked in, the waiters were polite, approachable, and attentive. Nothing was too much to ask for. In fact, they made us feel at home. Then one waiter came to our table and asked us if we are using any sort of digital payment service. You know the services like Paytm, Amazon Pay, or Google Pay, etc. To that, I said yes. Then he briefed us about quick, contactless, and fully customizable table service. He guided me throughout the process, and as a result, I successfully placed the order without even moving an inch from my seat. Burgers, french fries, and soft drinks arrived at our table within no time, and we ate like pigs till our soul satisfied. So, how you felt about it? Well, I know McDonald's always take due cognizance of customer needs, so I was pleased to see my favorite restaurant adapting to the new norms of social distancing. I felt extremely happy and rated the service 5 out of 5. This will definitely be an unforgettable memory because we took so many pictures inside the restaurant and it was the best service experience I have ever received. So, in the end, I would just like to tell you that going to McDonald's is one of my keenest pleasures. Meeting someone with old and new friends, ordering fries, eating burgers surrounded by strangers, I think is the core what it means to live a civilized life. So, that's all about the cue card, and now the follow ups. The first follow up is what do you think of relationship between companies and consumers? According to me, consumers have human-like relationship with the brands. When a brand has built up a trust in its consumers, brand loyalty begins. If customers find a product they believe in, then they will be loyal to brands. Thus, it's not surprising that the leading companies in the world like Apple, Amazon also have their most loyal customers. Second is, as a customer, what kind of services would you expect to receive from a company? Well, I feel that a company must remain trustworthy and deliver what they commit. For example, if companies make promises like one day delivery, and then the delivery must be done in the stipulated time. In addition, if the product provided doesn't keep up to the standard promised, the company should apologize and reimburse the customers then and there only. So the third one is what kind of jobs involve coping with the public? You know the jobs that involve most of the public interaction. So broadly, most sales and marketing jobs involve the most public-centric approach. Apart from them, services like such as automobile workshop, product installations, healthcare services, and teaching also involve day-to-day public interactions. Although internet swallowed a huge share of face-to-face services, still large number of jobs entail coping with the public. And the last follow up is why should companies react quickly when customers have difficulties? Well, I think it's important to proactively deal with consumer complaints and difficulties because it can easily erode the brand loyalty. According to conventional wisdom, customers are more loyal to firms that go above and beyond. Reducing response times, responding to your customers with helpful and relevant information is the key to customer service success today. So that's all about the cue card and the follow-ups.
And that's all for today. I hope you find this content informative. Please share, subscribe, and support our efforts. Thank you very much. See you soon. Stay safe.